Namaste student, myself Jayven Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is basic enzymology. Today's session is different plot for determination of Km and Bmax and their physiological significances. So in this, first of all, we will discuss enzyme kinetics. This is defined as a study of enzymatic reaction rate. It is an expression of chemical reactions in mathematical terms. It could also be defined as a quantification of an enzyme activity in terms of the rate of conversion of substrate to product based on time and enzymatic concentration. Classification of chemical reactions. Chemical reaction can be classified in three. First one is zero order reactions. In these reactions, the velocity is dependent on the substrate concentration. That is V is equal to Ks naught is equal to K. This implies that V is constant. Second one is first order reaction. The reaction rate or velocity is the rate of formation of the product P. Also, the reaction rate or velocity is proportional to the reactant or substrate concentration. That is V is equal to Ka is equal to Ka. So next class is second order reaction. In this, these involves two molecules of substrate to form products. That is A plus A is equal to P. The reaction rate or velocity is the rate of formation of product P. The unit of K moles 1 and second minus 1. So next is what is the significance of Km and Vmax. Km value is used to as a measure of an enzyme's affinity for its substrate. The lower the Km value, the higher the enzyme's affinity for the substrate and vice versa. Km value also provides an idea of the strength of binding of the substrate to the enzyme molecule. The lower the Km value, the more tightly bound the substrate is to the enzyme for the reaction to be catalyzed and vice versa. Km value indicates the lowest concentration of the substrate S the enzyme can recognize before reaction catalysis can occur. Km value is also used as a measure of the substrate concentration when the reaction rate half minimum velocity 50%. That is Km is equal to S and at half Vmax. An enzyme Km describes the substrate concentration at which half the enzyme's active sites are occupied by substrate. The maximum rate reveals the turnover number of an enzyme. That is the number of substrate molecule being catalyzed per second. So this is the uh, different plots for determination of Km and Vmax value and their physiological significance. Hope you like this video. This video is powered by JVW Digital version 2.0. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section.